Hello friends, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about my experience with the free OB100 phone line that I just got, and I comment on the first part. Well, I'm not going to make this video long because first of all let me tell you that all the instructions are available in the OB website that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But first, let me recap. All you need is this device, the OB100. You can find it anywhere in Amazon for about 40 to 50 bucks. Once you get this box, then you're gonna need a phone. Okay, I use the VTech like you saw in the previous video, but any phone will do. And you need an internet connection. So the OB100 really has three holes. One hole goes to the power on the wall for electricity. The other one goes to the phone that you bought, and the other one goes to your router, your internet box. So it's really simple to configure. The other two things that this system needs is a free Google Voice account. Again, Google Voice is free, anybody can get it, and you can get the only caveat with that is that you need to have already a cell phone or a number to add it to your Google Voice account. So that's the only caveat, but after that it's completely free. And of course you need this device, the OB100, and a good internet connection. And also, lastly, you need to create an account with the OB website to connect the device to them. Okay. Now, let me tell you that this method is completely legal and it's actually official, and Google knows about it, and they're okay with it. So, just let me tell you my experience. In this past month or month and a half that I've been using it, it has been great. It's really working perfectly. People can call me, I can call people, the phone rings like a normal phone, and again, I'm not paying a cent for the service. So once you make this investment of 45 bucks, that's it. No more, nothing to pay. Now, there is a couple of things though. If you need to have a 911 service, then you need to pay. So this is really one of the caveats. So if you need this phone for your parents, or you may have to pay that 911 service if you want to have it. Again, I'm using this as an extra phone line for my house that doesn't have a good cell phone connection, so it's not the case, but keep this in mind. And also the quality of the phone calls, although it's been great, I'll say it's 90% great. There is a 10% there that sometimes when you dial a phone, you dial a number, the dialing can get a little bit delayed, or there is sometimes some problem with the connection or the voice. But this is normal when you're using a voice over IP phone that is completely free. I mean, I can't really complain about that. And it's like I said, it's just a 10% of the times. So how do you do it? Well, you first buy this box anywhere you want. And then you buy a phone, if you already have it, a normal standard phone, modern phone will do. Then you make the connections, and then you navigate to, the best thing to do is to go to this website, okay, the obhi.com website /Google Voice, okay. This will give you instructions of how to do it with videos and step-by-step pictures. This is how I did it, and it works great. I can just guide you through it a little bit. Okay, but I don't want to make this video too long, and since all the instructions are here, okay, so I'm just gonna go here and show you that if you click on I have it here open, tutorials and videos, you can see Google Voice setup. Okay, this is the first tutorial, and you see that it takes you it asks you to go to the Google Voice website and create an account. You create an account, just click on next to see the next instructions, step-by-step instructions of how to create a Google account. Okay, and you see that Google will ask you for a phone number, okay, for an email, also to create a password, etc., etc. You just follow the steps to create a Google Voice account, okay, and that's it. If you already have a Google Voice account, that's fine. Try to using that. Now, let me tell you a little story. I had an old Google Voice account that did not work because once you set it up, okay, there is only one caveat. And that is that you have to set it up so the calls are forwarded to Google Chat. You see this option here? So under phone tap and forward calls to, you must make sure that it's checked, okay? So you must have those things checked and to make it work. So after you do that, you will be all set, and you can I also recommend that you test Google Voice before installing the OBI to see if Google Voice works by itself. So once that is done, it will take you maybe 5-10 minutes to do that. You are all set up, and the next thing you need to do is to go to the OBI website, okay, obihigh.com, and register. Put your email address, and select a password, etc., etc. And this is again step-by-step procedure with pictures of how to do it. Really, they did a great job doing this. And after you do that, you confirm your email address, and then you set up your device. But at this point, you should already have connected your OBI to your phone in one of the holes. The other hole is to the internet router, and the other one is to the power outlet. Once that is done, okay, make sure to select I want to configure Google Voice on this device, and then you have to make a call from your phone. It says dial **5 plus 4-digit number that appears on your screen, okay, and that are right here blurred, okay. Each case will be different, of course. And after that is completed, that's it. You have to accept the terms. Here's where it tells you that they don't have 911 service, so they just want to make sure that you know that, and that's it, okay. And you can add that service, by the way, later on, but you have to pay, so it depends on you and your needs. That's it. After that is done, you will have your phone, it will be activated like in 5 minutes, and everything works perfectly. So I really recommend this. Again, remember to check the great tutorials in OBI High once you have everything, but it's really easy to do, and I highly recommend it. Let me know what was your experience with it, and if it works well for you, and thank you for watching.